Quick tax update you may not have heard yet. The IRS is ending the free file program, and most people don't even realize it yet due to lack of funding. If you're comfortable doing your own personal return, I have a DIY option for you I can recommend. And yes, it's different from the other platforms because of its security. This software is from My Professional Tax Software, and the returns are e-filed under a licensed e-filing identification number, meaning you're not left exposed. There's a flat fee of $34.99. All states are included, so if you have multiple states, it's not extra. If you need to file an extension, that's free. There's no upsells. The IRS officially opens Monday, January 26th. So if you're a DIY filer, click the link and start your personal tax return today. If you're a business owner and want proactive planning, that's a different conversation. Click the DMs. Have a great day.